Hi, my name is Cosette, and welcome to Food Science Around the World. Today I visited Sakanaya, a Japanese cuisine restaurant here in Champaign, Illinois. The food I will be providing an in-depth exploration of is miso soup, and specifically the miso paste used to create this Japanese staple. What is miso? It is a fermented soybean paste often used as flavoring. Miso is a traditional food that has supported the dietary life of Japanese people for more than 1,300 years. It is also a fermented food created by the activity of microorganisms. It originally was a spread on food in the Heian period, and it was used as a currency or a gift. It was a valuable commodity. In the Kamakura period was the emergence of miso soup. Buddhist monks brought over the mortar, and they could grind the paste and easily dissolve it in water. So, how to make miso? The production of miso involves a two-step fermentation process. Koji is cooked rice and or soybeans that have been inoculated with a fermentation culture, Aspergillus oryzae. So it is fermented and then it becomes rice koji. The rice koji is then added to salt and a soybean mash, and then it undergoes yet another fermentation, this time by yeast and bacteria. You leave it to ferment for as little as 1 week to 3 years, with color and flavor intensity increasing with the longer the fermentation time. So the bacteria used in this process consumes carbs and other compounds, so it changes the sensory properties of food, changing the sight, the smell, and the taste. It kind of uses the bacteria as a food factory, convert the carbs into different compounds, carbs into acids, and specifically, because miso is known for its savory or umami flavor, it is a category of flavor in food that's created from the breakdown of proteins to glutamic acid. So, ingredients. The ingredients are soybeans, salt, rice koji, and filtered water. And that's it for miso paste. We blend all of those ingredients by hand to prevent air pockets. Roll them into little paste balls, and then in an airtight container, you slap the little pockets of balls, and then you smush them all together to avoid any air pockets. Then you cover it with plastic to avoid drying out or oxidation of the miso. To make miso soup, you use miso paste, tofu, dashi, a Japanese soup stock, sesame oil, wakame, dried kelp, and scallions. And miso is categorized into 4 different types, and the one I ate today was a blended type. There's others like rice miso, barley miso, soybean, and blended. So miso is a complex creation of sweetness, saltiness, umami, sourness, bitter, and astringency. It was very fun trying this food, and I'm very excited.